Hello everybody, I'm Glyte, and welcome back to Everything Wrong with Eichenwalde in 3 minutes or less. The orientation of this chimney changes from the bottom to the top. This balcony has an arrow slit overlooking it, even though that's where you'd fire the arrows from. It is impossible to stand on these stone stacks. These arrow slits are only on the outside. You can walk on the railings just fine, but if you walk on the stones, you'll slide off. These are the only 2 lampposts in this entire map. You would have thought they'd installed a few more. It's possible to stand on top of this painting. There are speakers in this room, even though all the instruments in here are acoustic. This ring is clipping inside of the wall. This ATM has no way to interact with it. After this waterfall, the river disappears. This grandfather clock is still ticking, even though the place has been abandoned for years. There are no birds under this ledge, but birds still fly out anyway. The sliding mechanics are really odd for this spot. These paintings are identical. Genji can't see over these battlements, even when he jumps. Those are some really tall battlements. It's possible to clip inside of this branch. This door should be open since the handle is down. This wooden strut is clipping inside of the building. These windows also do not come out anywhere. While this door is obviously a push door from this side, there's no way to open it from the inside. Anyway, if you like this video, drop it a like. If you hated it and think I should die, drop it a dislike. But if you really loved it, make sure to subscribe. Anyway, this has been me, and I'm out. Thanks guys.